So this video I'm recording after several months. I haven't recorded a video from a while. So this video is mainly focused on the Google Cloud because I had recent experience with Google Cloud, and before that I also worked on Databricks and Azure Data Factory, Azure Synapse. So I was into this data engineering domain. So I worked through some Coursera courses and also doing course on LinkedIn Premium Learning, LinkedIn Learning using the premium account. So I was trying to figure out what's my actual interest in terms of data engineering, and I went through this Azure Synapse Analytics using Spark on Azure Synapse Analytics, and then creating data pipelines through Azure Data Factory. So all this I did to understand that the importance of data engineering on Google Cloud Platform. So if you go to the Cloud Platform, and if you really want to work on data warehouse, so I would recommend BigQuery. I mean, there are so many videos about BigQuery, but BigQuery is really powerful compared to any other data warehouse because it's very cost effective, and um, I have worked through BigQuery. I have tried, it is able to integrate the machine learning with the SQL queries. So it is highly optimized. It is a bit sophisticated. However, it is something which I would highly recommend. So I worked through BigQuery, and then I worked through Vertex AI, which is mainly for developing machine learning models, and also AutoML on the Vertex AI workbench. And before that, I also worked on this data engineering part using this PubSub, Dataproc, Cloud Composure, because all these are part of Google data engineering concepts. And I have done almost three courses on Google data engineering to actually understand, and that is hands-on. On Coursera, you do hands-on and you actually understand by doing things instead of just watching videos and not actually doing the code part. So, Quick Labs, which is a part of the hands on learning on Coursera, it really helps you to understand the concepts and helps you to deep dive into how things actually work. So, I am recording this video today because I realize since I have worked on Azure to a great, I have done a lot of things on Azure. I already have that Azure DP100 certification, which is an associate level certification, and I also have Azure AI fundamentals. And I also now I'll be mainly focusing on Google Cloud, because I think Google Cloud is far more efficient and better compared to this Azure cloud, because Azure, like, in Google Cloud, things are integrated. You feel that smoothness while doing things. Even though if you want to go for this Vertex AI, which is mainly used for developing machine learning models, or maybe BigQuery, or maybe cloud data engineering, for example, this Cloud Data Proc, Cloud Composure, PubSub. So, doing data streaming, starting a job, actually viewing the results, and the best part about Google Cloud is you can visualize your SQL query using the Google Looker, and it is the best thing until because I have also used Power BI. Power BI, yeah, it is a traditional tool. It is effective, but Google Looker data is I think it's like it. You can visualize your query just by with a single